Today we're tackling a fascinating topic: how older men can captivate the attention of younger women. Ever wondered what makes you stand out to the younger crowd? It's not just about your age or life experiences. In this video, we're diving into specific actions and qualities that are real game changers. From genuine confidence to shared interests, we've got some insightful tips and tricks up our sleeve. So, if you're curious about bridging the age gap and sparking genuine interest, you're in the right place. Make sure to stick around till the end, because we've got a special bonus tip waiting for you. It's a unique insight not often talked about that ties everything together. You won't want to miss this key piece of advice that could change the game for you. Stay tuned. 1. Genuine confidence. Let's dive into the world of genuine confidence, a trait that significantly piques the interest of younger women. But what exactly sets authentic confidence apart from its close cousin, arrogance? It's time to unravel this. Genuine confidence is a quiet yet powerful force. It's not about boasting or showing off. It's a deep-seated assurance in one's abilities and worth. This kind of confidence is often born from a rich tapestry of life experiences and a profound understanding of oneself. It's the kind of self-assurance that comes from knowing your strengths and weaknesses and embracing them both with grace. Contrast this with arrogance, which is often a facade masking insecurities. Arrogance shouts while confidence speaks softly. It's the difference between trying to prove something to the world and simply being secure in who you are. Genuine confidence is attractive because it's real, approachable, and grounded in reality. It offers a sense of stability and reliability, qualities that are often appealing to younger women. This form of confidence is like aged wine. It gets better with time. This authenticity is what truly resonates, creating a connection that's based on real attraction and mutual respect. 2. Active listening skills. Now, let's talk about our second point: the power of active listening skills. This often underrated trait can be a game changer in how younger women perceive older men. But why is being a good listener so significant? And how does it contrast with more self-centered ways of communication? Let's dive in for a closer look. Active listening is about fully engaging with what the other person is saying and showing genuine interest and respect. It's not just about waiting for your turn to speak. It's about truly understanding the other person's perspective. This kind of listening creates a space where the other person feels heard and valued, and meaningful connections can flourish. Contrast this with a more self-centered communication style, where conversations are dominated by one's own opinions and experiences, often leaving little room for the other person to express themselves. This approach can make the other person feel unimportant and overlooked, which is far from attractive. In a world where everyone is eager to speak and be heard, choosing to listen is a powerful statement. It shows maturity, patience, and a genuine interest in others, qualities that can be particularly appealing to younger women. They often find this refreshing in a landscape filled with ego-driven conversations. 3. Emotional intelligence. Let's take a closer look at our third point, which is the world of emotional intelligence and its magnetic appeal, especially in the dynamics between older men and younger women. What makes emotional maturity so attractive, and how does it contribute to deeper, more meaningful connections? Let's unpack this essential quality. Emotional intelligence is about much more than just managing one's own feelings. It's about understanding and empathizing with others' emotions as well. It's a blend of self-awareness, empathy, and emotional regulation. For older men, possessing emotional intelligence means they're not just aware of their own emotional states, but can also sensitively navigate the emotions of others, especially those of younger women. This maturity is attractive because it shows a level of understanding and compassion that often comes with life experiences. It's about being able to handle sensitive situations with grace and offer support that's both genuine and thoughtful. Emotional intelligence allows for a depth of connection that goes beyond surface-level interactions, creating a bond that's built on mutual understanding and emotional support. Contrast this with the often chaotic and reactive emotional landscape of youth, where feelings can be intense but not always well understood or managed. The stability and insight that come with emotional intelligence provide a reassuring counterbalance to this, making it a highly sought-after quality. Loving what you're seeing so far? Hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts or experiences, and remember to subscribe for more content like this. Your engagement is what drives our community, shaping the conversations we have. Every like, comment, and new subscriber brings us closer together. Thanks for being an active part of our journey. 4. Shared interests and hobbies. In our fourth point, let's explore the role of shared interests and hobbies in drawing younger women's attention to older men. How significant are these commonalities in transcending the age gap? Let's dive in and find out. Shared interests and hobbies are like bridges connecting people, regardless of age. These common passions and pursuits provide a platform for mutual understanding and enjoyment, creating bonds that are based on more than just age or life stages. They offer opportunities for shared experiences, conversations, and growth, making the relationship dynamic and vibrant. For older men, staying culturally and socially relevant is key to developing these shared interests. This doesn't mean trying to mimic youth culture. Rather, it's about staying curious, open-minded, and engaged with the world. It can be as simple as exploring new music genres, keeping up with current events, or trying out a popular hobby. The idea is to find areas where your interests intersect with those of the younger generation. This approach shows that you are not confined by your age, but rather are open to exploring and appreciating the richness of different experiences and perspectives. It also demonstrates a willingness to step into someone else's world, which can be incredibly appealing. The importance of shared interests lies in their ability to cultivate a connection that feels relevant and meaningful to both partners. It's about finding that common ground where both can contribute, learn, and enjoy together. In summary, cultivating shared interests and hobbies is a powerful way for older men to connect with younger women, demonstrating that age really is just a number when it comes to shared passions and pursuits. 5. Dressing well in personal grooming. Let's shift our focus to our 5th point, the importance of dressing well in personal grooming in attracting younger women's attention. It's often said that the first impression is the last impression, but what role do attire and grooming play in this context? Let's explore this in more detail. Taking care of one's appearance is not just about vanity. It's a form of self-respect and shows attention to detail. Dressing well and appropriate grooming shows that you value yourself and how you present yourself to the world. This doesn't mean chasing every fashion trend. Rather, it's about finding a personal style that is both contemporary and age-appropriate. It's about striking the right balance between being modern and respecting your age. For older men, this could mean opting for classic styles that have stood the test of time while incorporating elements of current trends to stay relevant. Paying attention to fit is crucial. Clothes that fit well can dramatically improve your appearance. Additionally, grooming shouldn't be overlooked. A well-groomed look, be it a neat beard or a clean-shaven face, along with well-maintained hair, can make a significant difference. 6. Life stability and security. Moving on to our 6th point, let's talk about how the stability and security that often come with age can be an attractive trait. This is especially true when we focus on the emotional and lifestyle aspects rather than the financial ones. Why do these qualities appeal to younger women? Let's dive deeper to understand this. The stability and security we're talking about here go beyond the materialistic. It's about having a grounded sense of self, a clear understanding of life goals, and the emotional maturity to handle life's ups and downs. This kind of stability is appealing because it offers a sense of safety and reliability. It's not about having a hefty bank account. It's about having a stable lifestyle and a level-headed approach to life's challenges. This emotional and lifestyle stability can be incredibly reassuring. For younger women who may still be exploring their path and facing life's uncertainties, the calm assurance of a stable partner can be both comforting and attractive. It's like having a safe harbor in the midst of life's storms, not a place to hide, but a place to find support and strength. The key here is to understand that stability and security are not about being unchangeable or rigid. Instead, they are about having a solid foundation from which both partners can grow and explore life together. It's about providing a balanced environment where both individuals can thrive. 7. Bonus point, flexibility and open-mindedness. Why are these traits so valuable, and how can they enhance the connection between partners of different ages? Let's explore this significant aspect. Flexibility and open-mindedness are vital in any relationship, but they take on special significance in relationships where there's an age gap. These qualities mean being willing to adapt to new situations, listen to different viewpoints, and embrace change. It's about understanding that the world is constantly evolving, and so are the ways we relate to each other. For older men, being flexible and open-minded can bridge the gap between different generational perspectives and experiences. It shows a willingness to step outside one's comfort zone and engage with the world in a way that resonates with younger generations. This adaptability makes you more relatable and approachable, creating a foundation for deeper understanding and connection. Embracing new ideas, trying out new activities, and being open to different ways of thinking can significantly enhance mutual understanding and connection. It's not about losing your identity or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about showing that you value growth, learning, and the unique perspectives that come with different life stages. Now that we've covered how older men can catch the eye of younger women, what's next? Are you curious about the signs a younger woman likes you, or the techniques to win over younger women? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.